Welcome to SUNRAJ Tech, your hub for the latest in smart, innovative home solutions. Today we're exploring amazing space-saving furniture that transforms your home, combines style with functionality, and makes small spaces feel bigger and smarter. Let's dive in. Number 1. Chairbed Ellie. Introducing the Chairbed Ellie, a modern folding armchair designed for both daily comfort and nightly sleep. This smart armchair is compact and highly functional, making it perfect for small apartments, balconies, entryways, or kids' rooms. With a simple transformation system, it can easily turn from a chair into a bed. The metal frame allows the backrest to adjust into 5 unique positions: an upright position for sitting, 3 relaxing recline modes, and a fully flat position for sleeping. Its legs are made from solid birch wood, ensuring strength and durability. And to enhance comfort, it comes with 2 soft cushions. The upholstery is crafted from ultra velvet fabric. This material is not only resistant to wear, tested for over 60,000 martindale cycles, but also feels incredibly soft to the touch, making your relaxation truly unforgettable. Compact, stylish, and multifunctional, the Chairbed Ellie is more than just furniture. It's a smart upgrade for modern living. Number 2. Puff Ronnie Ottoman Bed by Kasama SRL. Meet the Ronnie Ottoman Bed by Kasama SRL, a smart fusion of style, comfort, and functionality. At first glance, Ronnie looks like a modern puff-style armchair, upholstered in soft beige fabric with a clean, elegant design. But with one smooth motion, it transforms into a full-sized bed, offering the comfort of real sleep without compromising space. Its innovative design makes it practical, versatile, and convenient, the perfect solution for anyone looking to maximize space while enjoying true relaxation. Whether it's for your living room, a guest corner, or even a compact apartment, Ronnie adapts effortlessly to every environment. The dimensions are 83 by 110 centimeters when closed, and it extends to 83 by 190 centimeters when fully opened, making it ideal for both sitting and sleeping. Compact, functional, and beautifully designed, the Puff Ronnie Ottoman Bed is more than furniture. It's a space-saving innovation for modern living. Number 3. Chair Mattress Transformer. Introducing the Chair Mattress Transformer, a truly multifunctional piece of smart furniture. At first it looks like a modern cushioned chair, designed with comfort and style in mind. But with a quick transformation, this chair unfolds into a full mattress, giving you an instant sleeping space whenever you need it. Built with a durable metal frame and premium quality foam, the Chair Mattress Transformer ensures long-lasting support and a relaxing sleep experience. Its compact size makes it ideal for small apartments, guest rooms, or even office spaces where functionality is key. What makes it special is its versatile design. One product that works as a comfortable chair during the day and a full mattress at night. It's easy to fold, lightweight to move, and stylish enough to blend with any modern interior. Space-saving, practical, and innovative, the Chair Mattress Transformer is a perfect solution for today's smart homes. Number 4. Sofa Magico Multifunctional. Meet the Sofa Magico, a true masterpiece of multifunctional furniture design. At first glance, it looks like a stylish and comfortable sofa. But hidden inside is a world of possibilities. With its smart transformation system, the Sofa Magico can easily turn into a bed, a lounger, or even additional storage space depending on your needs. Built with a reinforced frame and premium upholstery, this sofa is designed to handle everyday use while keeping you in maximum comfort. Its ergonomic design ensures proper support whether you're sitting, relaxing, or sleeping. What makes the Sofa Magico truly unique is its space-saving versatility. In one compact design, you get multiple solutions, perfect for modern apartments, guest rooms, or any living space where style meets practicality. Functional, elegant, and innovative, the Sofa Magico Multifunctional is not just furniture, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Number 5. Boxy Sofa Bed. Introducing the Boxy Sofa Bed, a perfect blend of Italian craftsmanship, modern design, and everyday functionality. Created by International Prodimex Group SRL, a company established in 1982 and recognized worldwide for premium architectural hardware and furniture fittings, this product represents true made-in-Italy excellence. At first glance, it's a sleek contemporary sofa. But with just a simple transformation, it unfolds into a comfortable full-sized bed, offering the perfect balance between practicality and elegance. Designed with durable materials and high-quality upholstery, the Boxy Sofa Bed is ideal for small apartments, guest rooms, or multifunctional spaces where comfort must meet style. Whether you're entertaining guests or creating extra sleeping space, the Boxy Sofa Bed proves that innovative Italian design always delivers. Number 6. Geordie Blue Convertible Armchair. Introducing the Tokyo Convertible Armchair by Geordie Blue, a true statement piece that combines style, comfort, and versatility in one. This multifunctional armchair transforms effortlessly into three modes: a chair for work or reading, a lounger for relaxation, and a bed for a comfortable night's sleep. Its articulating backrest offers three different positions to suit your posture and mood, ensuring maximum comfort at every stage of your day. Adding to its functionality, it also comes with a compact, stylish, and easy-to-use side table, making it perfect for both productivity and leisure. Packed with practicality and designed with elegance, the Tokyo Convertible Armchair is the ideal addition to any modern home. From day to night, from work to rest, it adapts to your lifestyle seamlessly. Number 7. Sofa Bunk Bed by icreatived. Here's a smart innovation in modern furniture, the Sofa Bunk Bed by icreatived. At first glance, it looks like a sleek, compact sofa. But with one simple motion, it transforms into a fully functional bunk bed. The automatic ladder system sets itself up instantly, making the transition smooth and effortless. This multifunctional design is perfect for maximizing space in small apartments, guest rooms, or even kids' bedrooms. With dimensions of 212 cm in width, 74 cm in height, and 94 cm in depth, the seating and sleeping area measures 80 by 190 cm, providing comfort for both sitting and sleeping. Available in multiple color options, the sofa bunk bed is not just practical, but stylish as well. It's a brilliant combination of smart engineering and modern aesthetics, giving you two pieces of furniture in one compact design. Number 8. Lado Ivana Frameless Armchair by Argo TM. Meet the Lado Ivana Frameless Armchair, a sleek and modern solution for your living space. This lightweight, comfortable, and reliable chair redefines casual seating with its minimalist design. Its frameless construction makes it versatile and easy to move, perfect for apartments, lounges, or cozy reading corners. Despite its minimalistic structure, it's engineered to provide excellent support and long-lasting durability. The Lado Ivana is also available for showroom viewing. You can test its comfort firsthand and see why it's becoming a favorite for modern interiors. For custom requests, Argo TM offers a furniture review system. Just comment what you'd like to see, and they'll create a detailed demonstration. This armchair combines lightweight design, ergonomic comfort, and contemporary style, making it a smart choice for any home. Introducing the Transformer Bed by AMS Movies Planejados, a space-saving marvel designed for modern living. This single bed transforms effortlessly into a full-size double bed, offering maximum flexibility for your home. Its innovative transformation mechanism allows you to switch between configurations smoothly without any hassle. Perfect for small apartments, guest rooms, or multifunctional spaces, this bed adapts to your lifestyle with ease. Built with high-quality materials and precision engineering, it guarantees durability, stability, and comfort whether used as a single or double bed. For more information or to see it in action, AMS Movies Planejados provides detailed demonstrations and customer support. This is a perfect combination of smart design, functionality, and comfort, making the Transformer Bed a smart choice for any modern home. So friends, these were the top space-saving furniture innovations that blend design, comfort, and practicality. Which one impressed you the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SUNRAJ Tech for more smart home and tech solutions. See you in the next video.